Why are you biting the bullet on this?
Bite the bullet on this thing.
Yeah.
Just gotta bite the bullet.
I'll bite the bullet.
Bite the bullet on this one.
What does bite the bullet actually mean? This idiom is used when someone decides to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage. It's about accepting something tough that you can't avoid. Think of it as mustering up the strength to deal with a challenge head-on. Now, where does this phrase come from? The origin dates back to the 19th century, when soldiers would literally bite on a bullet during surgery to cope with the pain. It's a vivid image that perfectly captures the essence of facing hardship. Example 1. I really didn't want to go to the dentist, but I had to bite the bullet and make the appointment. Example 2. After months of procrastination, I finally bit the bullet and started my research paper. Example 3. She didn't like the idea of moving to a new city, but she knew she had to bite the bullet for her career. Now it's your turn. Try using bite the bullet in a sentence. Comment below with your example, and I'll respond to as many as I can. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more English idioms and language tips. Remember, sometimes you just have to bite the bullet and keep learning. See you next time.
Why are you biting the bullet on this?
Bite the bullet on this thing.
Yeah.
Just gotta bite the bullet.
I'll bite the bullet.
Bite the bullet on this one.